mechanical keyboards offer durability, tactile feedback, faster response, customizable keys, and enhanced typing or gaming precision, making them essential. My today's video is about top 5 best mechanical keyboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SteelSeries Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The hybrid blue mechanical gaming keyboard perfectly blends tactile satisfaction with smooth membrane typing, delivering the satisfying click of a blue switch while ensuring silent, comfortable use. Rated for 20 million key presses, it promises long-lasting performance for both gaming and productivity. Its OLED smart display adds a new layer of customization, allowing users to showcase GIFs, game stats, Discord notifications, and more, making your setup not just functional but visually dynamic. Built with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, this keyboard is exceptionally sturdy, offering durability you can trust during intense gaming sessions. The dynamic per-key RGB lighting creates stunning visual effects, customizable to match any mood or game, while the premium magnetic wrist rest ensures full palm support, reducing fatigue during long hours of play. At 900 by 300 by 4 mm, 35.43 by 11.81 inches, it provides ample space for both keyboard and mouse, combining style, comfort, and performance in one sleek package. A top-tier choice for serious gamers seeking durability and flair. Now our second product is Redragon Gasket RGB Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K673GB redefines mechanical keyboards with its innovative gasket-mounted design, replacing traditional screw fixtures with precision-locked covers in gaskets. This structure reduces rigid noise, provides even feedback, and delivers a crisp, clean, and softer typing experience, making every keystroke satisfying. Its tri-mode connectivity, USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0/5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless, ensures seamless performance across devices, taking versatility to the next level. Noise reduction is a priority, with 5 layers of dampening including PO foam, IXP switch foam, PET pads, silicone, and gaskets, producing ultra-clean acoustics that make typing comfortable and enjoyable. The keyboard features custom mint Mambo linear switches, thick-looped for silky smooth, cushion travel, and nearly universal switch compatibility. One knob control conveniently manages backlight brightness and media functions without cluttering keys. Designed with an 81-key layout, it preserves the compact 65 footprint while adding essential top function keys, eliminating FN combos and freeing mouse space. Combining innovation, comfort, and practicality, the K673GB is ideal for gamers and typists seeking a premium, quiet, and versatile keyboard. Our third product is Logitech Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G413 SE is a full-size gaming keyboard designed for performance, durability, and style. Built for serious gamers, it features tactile mechanical switches that deliver crisp, responsive keystrokes, ensuring precision in every game. Its PBT keycaps are heat and wear resistant, providing long-lasting durability and a premium typing experience. The keyboard's sleek black brushed aluminum top case and white LED backlighting elevate any gaming setup, combining aesthetics with functionality. With 6-key rollover anti-ghosting, each key press is accurately registered, giving you reliable input even during intense gaming sessions. FN key media controls make adjusting volume, playback, lighting, and more quick and convenient, without interrupting gameplay. The G413 SE's robust, minimal flex body ensures stability, while its tankless, TKL, option offers a compact layout for those who prefer more mouse space. Overall, the Logitech G413 SE balances durability, performance, and style, making it an excellent choice for both competitive gamers and everyday users seeking a high-quality, responsive keyboard. Now number 4, Yunzii. Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Yunzii B98 Pro wireless keyboard perfectly blends productivity and gaming versatility with its compact 96 layout that includes a full 100-key setup plus a numeric pad. Its standout feature is the dual-style knob design, letting you swap between a playful 3D cat knob or a sleek metal knob for quick multimedia control, while offering deep customization through QMK/via firmware. Powered by tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, it easily switches between up to 5 devices across Windows, Mac, and Android. An 8,000 mAh battery ensures uninterrupted gaming or work sessions. The gasket-mounted 5-layer structure combined with pre-lubed switches and double-shot PBT keycaps provides a creamy, noise-dampened typing experience with smooth, consistent keystrokes. Hot-swappable switches allow effortless customization without soldering, while ergonomic design features like dual-stage adjustable stands and cherry-profile keycaps maximize comfort during long sessions. The RGB backlighting with 16.8 million colors, customizable profiles, and playful metallic cat logo LED indicator enhance both style and functionality. The B98 Pro is an ideal keyboard for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking premium typing feel, versatility, and long-lasting performance. And our last choice is RK Roual Kludge wireless mechanical keyboard. The Yunzii compact mechanical keyboard brings big features to a small form factor. Its OLED screen displays everything from custom GIFs and battery status to connection mode and layout settings, keeping you informed at a glance. The rotary knob offers intuitive control over volume, RGB lighting, backlight brightness, and more. Just twist or click for instant adjustments. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes, allowing hassle-free switching across devices and platforms. Designed with gamers in mind, the top mount layout and gasket structure provide firm, tactile consistency while reducing noise for a smooth, creamy typing feel. Advanced sound dampening foams, including IXP switch pads, silicone layers, and multiple cushioning layers, cut 40 of noise and eliminate 80 of hollow echoes, delivering crisp, natural feedback. Hot-swappable PCB allows easy replacement of 3-pin or 5-pin switches, letting users customize their keyboard without soldering. Double-shot PBT keycaps ensure long-lasting durability, never-fading legends, and a premium tactile experience. Compact yet feature-packed, this keyboard perfectly balances style, performance, and customization for both gamers and typists. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.